everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a career reading for you guys, and we'll see like what coming next in your career. So we can just take a time frame of 1 year and we'll see like what's coming next in your career in this time frame of 1 year. So we have three pile over here. This is pile 1, this is pile 2, and this is our pile 3. I'll show you in this view as well. So if you need more time, you can just pause the video and meditate over the pile and then just go for one pile. If you are resonating with more than one pile, you can also select more than one pile as well. And thank you so much guys for your lovely comments, subscription, comments, share, everything. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for the personal reading, donation, everything. I'm so glad that you guys are liking my videos and supporting my channel. And if you like my reading, you can also follow me on my Insta account, that is suntarot444. So let's start with the reading. We'll go with pile 1. So pile 1, let's see like what's coming next in your career, like in the stream of 1 year. And it's timeless reading guys, so whenever you're watching this, just take a time frame of 1 year from that point of time. So what's happening pile 1? I can see you guys are very worried about your money and career right now. We have so your first card is 9 of Swords. So right now you are in this energy of 9 of Swords that talks about anxiety, depression, worry. Are you not happy with your current job at this moment, or are you guys like are unemployed right now? You are very worried like when you are going to get job. And if you are self-employed, I think you are very much worried about your finance and business at this moment, because we have this mind card as well. So I can see a lot of thoughts are going in your mind right now regarding your career, finance. I can see a lot of anxiety, depression. You are very upset. We have 9 of Sorrow, so is the similar kind of card we have here. Just let me know in the comment section, pile 1, what's happening with your career, because I can see a lot of disappointment. So for some of you, I can see like maybe you are working somewhere right now and definitely you are not happy with your job profile right now, or you are feeling like you are not getting what you deserve. Maybe you're getting like low pay, or you are looking for some sort of growth in your career, but for some reason you are feeling that other people are getting priority than you. You are putting a lot of hard work but not getting the like exact outcome which you are looking for. For many of you, I'm also saying that you are worried because I think you are looking for a new job right now, and because of this lockdown situation, I think you're not able to search for a job, and that is causing a lot of anxiety in you. You are very much sorrow, you are very much upset. Maybe you had a plan about your career, like you had some sort of strategy, like yeah, I will go for this career, or I will apply for this job, because suddenly whatever happened in this entire world, that was like whatever is happening right now, somehow it has ruined your plan completely. And for the people who are self-employed, I can see a lot of loss of money, or you're not able to grow your business at this time, or maybe definitely I can see some sort of financial loss and financial worry which is coming in this file. So universe is definitely telling you that I can see that definitely this is a period of lot of worry about, or I think for some of you, I can also feel that you are worried that whether your job will be there after this COVID-19, or like after this lockdown is getting over, whether you will be able to continue in that job or not. So honestly speaking, pile 1, I cannot see much is happening for you in this period of 1 year. However, in this period of like in this 1 year, definitely you will be walking through your fears, because we have worked through your fears cards. It's telling that whatever worries you have regarding your career at this moment, definitely you will be trying to come out of that energy. And I can see you people will be involving in something something creative this year. So if you guys are interested in creative profession like singing, dancing, painting, acting, modeling, maybe a YouTube channel, whatever you want to do, I can see you might be involving in some sort of creative project this year, because we have creative expression. Your soul's long to express itself creatively. So there are chances maybe due to this lockdown you will start your own YouTube channel, or you will start practicing some of the, your old skills, and you will decide that definitely you want to make it as your profession. Like whatever creative project you want to work, you want it as a like full-time job, or full-time, like you will completely get involved in that practice or in that particular job. Because even we have King of Wands over here. So King of Wands is someone who is who is his own boss. He doesn't like to follow anyone. He like his freedom. So there are chances for you guys, you will start like your own business, or you will be self-employed. So even if you're working anywhere right now, so you might decide that you want to leave your job and start your own business, or your own company, or maybe your own, like you will go for something independent job, some sort of creative and independent job this year. I'll just pull some more card because I cannot see what exactly is like a lot of. I'm feeling like more current energy I'm getting from this pile. I'll just use my tarot deck to see what coming next in your career. What else? So yeah, I can definitely see for this 1 year you will be working on your skills. You might be practicing some kind of skills, or it can be like you might be upskilling yourself, learning some sort of new like language, or like you will go for like higher studies this year. And for like most of you, I'm feeling that you might start your own business, or you will be self-employed this year. And if you are definitely want to go for that, if you want to leave your job and start something of your own, it will be a good year for you, where you can just because I can see if you can just start something of your own, you will get a lot of success. Because we have King of Wands over here. King of Wands definitely is a very high vibration energy, and this person is not worried about anything. This king is not worried about what people are saying to him. He enjoy his life. He's passionate about his work. He's passionate about his life. So I can see a lot of progression will be happening for you, where you will be coming out of this anxiety, worry, and you will have a lot of plan. I can see in this I think maybe you will utilize this lockdown period to plan about your career, and you will think like what exactly you are looking for in your career, what kind of changes you want to make in your career, and will try, and you will start following that path, and that will bring the success which you are looking for. And even universe is telling you that release the resentment and money. Yes, definitely we need money to live our life for our daily needs, but somehow universe is telling that you will get the money what you are looking for. So just stop worrying about it and just plan how you want to like how you want to earn that money. Maybe whatever you are doing right now, or whatever you are planning right now is not the right thing for you, and that's the reason it's not bringing the success which you are looking for. Maybe your soul want to do something else, or maybe you want to do something else, but somehow you feel that maybe that job is quite risky, or you might feel that become a completely self-employed, or start your own business will be risky. So universe is telling if you want to do that, just go for that. That will help you to release this worry about your money, and that will bring the success which you are looking for. So I'll just pull more card for you. Okay, 10 of Swords. So definitely ending of a cycle. So whatever cycle which you are going right now, so the cycle of worry, anxiety, money issues, that will be definitely ended soon. Because 10 always talk about ending of a cycle, and definitely you are going to start a new cycle for yourself when it comes to your career as well. So maybe you will get a new job offers very soon, or it can be you will start something of your own, or for like many of you, I can see like switching of a job. You might switch your job very soon. See, I got Queen of Wands as well and Seven of Cups. So I can definitely see in this coming 1 year, you will have a lot of options. So as soon as you will come out of this energy and you will end this cycle and surrender to divine completely, you will see that lots of opportunity will start coming to you. You might have to choose between the option, or you might have to choose between your regular job, or maybe a business, or like something of your own, or you might have a lot of offer which will be coming to you after maybe this lockdown is over. And this person is looking little bit confused, like which option to choose. So definitely I think you will be in this period of time as well, where you will have like maybe more than one option, and definitely a lot of good opportunities for you, and you will get confused like which way to go. But universes definitely say that is will be better for you if you go for something like a independent kind of career, where you don't have to follow anyone, because we have King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Because I think you are passionate about something, and definitely you want to make that your career, like that particular thing as your career. And if you follow your passion, you will be getting the success. Yeah, that's the message I'm getting. Just follow your passion, and that will bring the success and the money which you are looking for. Yeah, and definitely you need some healing as well. So just come out of this energy, just rest your mind, and just take a break. Like what it's a good time for you to take a break. I know you are very much worried about money, and you might be thinking that she is telling me to take a rest. How I can take a rest? I have money issue, I don't have a job, or maybe I am about to lose my job. What exactly is happening? I'm so much worried how I can take a rest. But universe is telling that it's a good time for you to take a break, so you can plan your career. Right now, if you're very much confused what to do, how to do, you have to just make proper strategy, and you can only do it when your mind is peaceful. If you have lot of worries in your mind, lot of thoughts in your mind, definitely you might go in a wrong direction again. So take a break, take a breather, take like if required, just invest in your time in watching videos, funny like movies, or just relax for some time, or maybe for 1 week just take a break, and then start planning your career, and just ask yourself what I am passionate about, what exactly I want as in my career, and just start following that path. And as soon as you will start following your passion, you will see that people will start approaching you, you will start getting interview call, you will start getting a job offer, or maybe business offer. A lot of opportunity will be coming towards you. So yeah, we have Two of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck, that definitely telling you that you might have to make a decision, where you might have to choose a career path for yourself, or you will have more than one option. You have to decide the best for you. But yeah, maybe this is a bad timing for you. But yeah, after some time I can see a period of wands is a very fast. I can see a lot of swords here, I can see a lot of wands over here. I can see a lot of changes will be happening in your career very soon. You are about to end a painful cycle very soon. Maybe for some of you, I'm also saying you might lose your job. I'm sorry to say that, because Ten of Swords also talks about ending. However, I think the job which you are going to lose, you were not happy with that job. You were not satisfied with the job. The only reason you were doing that job because you were getting money, you were getting paid. However, whatever, like even if that thing is ending for you, that will bring something good for you as well. That the new cycle will be your cycle, that I can see. I can see a time frame of 7 months. 7 months. Within the next 7 months, you will see a lot of changes in your career. What else I'm getting? In case if you are interested in healing career, maybe if you want to go for medical field, or if you want to go for healing, like Reiki healing, then crystal healing, this kind of thing, even that will be a good career option for you. Because something stable is coming with the two of pentacles, that I can feel something stable is coming for you. And I'll just pull one more guidance for you guys, because I know you guys are very much worried about your career at this moment. So let's see what universe wants to tell you, what guidance universe wants to give you. Savings. So universe is telling you that just be careful like where you are investing your money. So if you are still earning money, just try to save some money, so you can, if you want to start something of your own, you will have a backup for that. So universe want you to save some money for your future. Okay, positivity, faith and optimism. So right now maybe you are losing faith, you have a lot of negative thoughts in your mind. So universe is saying just be positive, because a new doorway is opening for you within next 7 months, and definitely you will experience a lot of abundance, happiness and passionate. You will be very much happy with your job, whatever will be coming for you, you will be very much satisfied with that. So just end this cycle, surrender to divine, whatever is happening right now. Just tell the universe that okay fine, I'm ready to surrender. So I'm ready to get the new opportunities which you are bringing towards me. Ask what exactly you are looking for. You can manifest a dream job for yourself. Come do your manifestation. Ask universe. Don't think about the, like, don't think about what is ending for you. Think what you can bring new in your life, new in your career. So if you want to suppose if you want a government job, for example, I'm telling you, ask universe that I desire this job, help me to get this job. Or I desire to be an software engineer, I desire to be an artist, I desire to be an actor. Whatever you desire, just ask universe, and you will see that when you will start working on it, or maybe when you will be full, like you will have that high vibration and positive thinking in your mind, you will see that suddenly some opportunity will come to your doorway. So yeah, a deservingness at the bottom of the deck I can see. So you will get what you deserve, definitely, and maybe that's the reason you are going through this cycle. So universe can bring the best thing for you. So that's what I'm getting for you, pile one, and hopefully you will come out of this energy. I'm sending a lot of light and love to you guys, and just do meditation if you are going through a bad cycle right now. It will help you to release this anxiety and worry which you are going through at this moment. And if you feel, you can just go for a professional help as well. If you are very much depressed about your profession at this moment, just take help from any friend, family, or consult any counselor who can help you with this. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and now I will be moving to the next pile, that is pile 2. So pile 2, let's see what exactly is happening in your career. So we'll take the time frame of 1 year, and it's a timeless reading as well. So let's start with the reading. So I think this might be your current energy at this moment. We have 5 of swords and we have tower moment. So something is definitely changing in your career. So you might be going through a conflicted time in your career at this moment. Maybe a lot of conflict is happening within your teammates, or maybe with your boss. You're not happy or satisfied about something. You are feeling very much frustrated about your job at this moment. And for some of you, I can also see that you are planning to leave this job, because next to 5 of swords we have the tower card. So something is changing in your career, or you want to make some changes in your career, definitely. For some of you, if you don't have a job right now, if you are looking for a job, so right now you are very much frustrated that you are not getting the job which you are expecting. For some of you it can be a promotion as well, that you are not getting the promotion which you are looking for. When it comes to your business, if you're self-employed, something is definitely bothering you, something is you're mad about something, you have, I can see a lot of frustration, anger which is coming from you, and you are going through sudden like a shocking time and your career. Maybe for some of you, you have lost your job recently, like out of nowhere, like you have lost your job, or some a big loss in your career, or like a big loss in your business as well, financial loss. For some of you, I can see maybe you were expecting a promotion, and so, like you were expecting a promotion, suddenly some changes happened in that promotion process, and someone else got that job or someone else got that promotion, and you are now very much frustrated about it. For some of you, I'm definitely seeing that you are going to leave your job very soon with the tower. Or if you're not leaving, universe will definitely bring some changes in your career which will force you to change your career path or change your job very soon. So universe, in this time frame of 1 year, I can see that even if you are very much like frustrated about your job situation at this moment, you will be patiently waiting for the right opportunity, because we have the number 7 card, patience. So it's telling you that maybe you will first plan everything, like okay fine, I'm not happy with my job, or I'm not getting the right job for myself, but I don't want to rush for a wrong option. I just don't want to take a rush decision and make some mistake in my career. So you will wait for the right opportunity patiently, because I think you want the best for yourself, because you want to give birth to some new ideas, new projects. You want to bring some newness in your career, so you don't want to go for similar kind of job profile, or maybe if you're not working anywhere, if you're looking for a new new job opportunity, you just want your first job as the best job, because you want to do something new. You don't want to just go for the regular kind of job. You want something newness, freshness. You might have a lot of ideas in your mind which you want to give birth to it. Right now I can see you are making a lot of plans and strategy about your career, and with the time frame of 7 is here, so I can see 7 weeks, 7 months as well, for some of you, depend. And some sort of changes will come. You will see the result will be coming out of it. So like it's like I'm getting the feeling of 7 of Pentacles, which talks about like sowing the seeds right now, so you can get the fruits when the time will come. So I think you are in this energy as well, where you are just going for the right option. You are in this planning phase and just waiting for the right opportunity, so you can just grab that opportunity when time will come. So I can see for a lot of you guys, you might have to come out of your comfort zone to get this new opportunity which you are looking for. Maybe you have to completely change your career path. We have the adventure card over here, so you might switch your job profile completely, or for some of you, I can see you might relocate somewhere else as well, because adventure talks about traveling or going somewhere else. Maybe right now you are not much that much comfortable moving to other place, but you might decide that you want to move to a different city or a different country or a state to pursue your dreams. So I can see traveling for this for pile 2. Yeah, adjustments are required over here, so you have to come out of your comfort zone, and you have to make certain adjustment in your plans and strategy which you are making right now. Maybe right now you have a dream company or a dream job or dream position at this moment. Maybe you won't be getting that exact thing, however some better opportunity will be coming for you, and for that you might have to go for a different company or different position, or for some of you might have to leave your house and relocate to a different new place. So universe is telling you that trust universe. So whatever they are making some good plans for you, just trust whatever they are, whatever opportunity they are bringing in your doorway. So I think they have the best plan for you guys. So if you are feeling like, okay, I think I should be going for this option, I should be relocate myself, so just trust that intuition, because it is guiding you towards the right path, what I can feel. For some of you, if you are not comfortable doing the regular job, or if you are interested in writing or poems or something like that, you should go for that. We have the author card. So if you are interested in writing, or if you are interested in poem, like if you are a poet, so definitely you should pursue your dream in that field. It will bring a lot of success to you, what I can see. And right now you have to declutter something. So you might declutter in the sense that you might have a little bit of frustration, negativity in your mind regarding your career right now. So you have to first release that. So when you release that negative toxic thought which you have in your mind, then only you will be able to make the right plans for yourself, and whatever guidance universe is trying to communicate to you, you will be able to follow that. I'll just pull some more cards for you so I can see what else will be happening in your career. Eight of Pentacles, lot of hard work I can see. Six of Swords, so definitely I can see travel for you guys. Seven of Pentacles, I'm getting similar kind of cards for you guys. Okay, the Fool. See, I'm okay, my intuition was completely right about you. The World card, again travel card, traveling, end of a cycle. So whatever you are doing right now, I can see that cycle is ending very soon. I can see you will be going for something completely new for yourself, and I can see you will be putting a lot of hard work towards this. Right now you are in this Seven of Pentacles energy where you are planning everything, and I can see for most of you guys some sort of traveling is required for your new job profile or for your new career. So if you are planning for like to travel somewhere else, to relocate somewhere else, so universe is telling you that definitely you should go for that. I think you want to take that chance, because we have the Fool card over here. You want to take that chance, but you are a little bit like skeptical and scared to do that, because you might have to leave your family, or if you already have a job, so you might have to leave that job to go for something new, and that is little bit like you are not sure about that part. So just go for it, because I can see that universe is guiding you towards this opportunity, because there's a cup, that is the offer, and universe is pushing you, just go for it, just take that cup. That is what you that is the best offer for you. But right now this person is very much fearful, very much scared to take that offer. So universe, just go for it, just take that. Yeah, that's what you want, and that's what you need as well, universe is trying to tell you. And Eight of Pentacles also talks about like successful and happy future in when it comes to your workplace. I can see a very successful and happy future is there for you. I think within next 7 to 8 months you will see a lot of changes in your career. I think that is the time frame I'm getting for, I got for pile 1 as well. So if you if you have resonated with pile 1 as well, you can just go and watch that as well. But yeah, I can see a lot of changes will be happening. For some of you, I can see there are chances of government job as well, but I'm getting for Eight of Pentacles. I think you are trying to get this government job since a long time, and I can see within next 7 to 8 months you will get the you will get the opportunity to get that position which you are looking for, and I think you might have to relocate that for as well. You might get the posting in some different place, so you might have to leave your house to get that position. I'll just take some more advice card for you guys. For this pile, I'm getting either something create like a writing poem, or it can for this pal I'm also getting government job as well. Because I think patiently you are waiting for this position. Unlimited ideas. I think right now you're in your mind, you have unlimited ideas, like what exactly you want to do about your career, in which path you should be doing. So universe is telling you, just utilize those ideas, just don't think and plan, you have to take action as well. So fine, you are patiently waiting for the right opportunity, but you have some opportunity which is knocking at your doorway, but you are very much scared to grab that opportunity. So it's time to take action as well. And I think divine will guide you towards that action, like they will tell you, yeah, this is the time you have to take this opportunity if you want something good for you. Okay, for some of you I'm also getting raise or promotion, so you will be getting a raise or a promotion this year, and you will be definitely very happy about it. No more complaining. So right now I think you are in this complaining energy where you're complaining about everything. I'm not getting the job, I'm not getting the promotion, my business is not working for me, something like that. And the universe is telling no more complaining, plan everything and take the action, and definitely something good is coming for you within next few months. And the people who are self-employed or have their own business, I'm also getting a message, you can just start, you can just try to do your business like over internet. Like if you are a seller, so you can just try to sell your product over internet. Like we have different e-commerce platform, you can just tie up with them, and that will help you to bring success or maybe growth in your business. That I'm getting for the people who are self-employed or they have their own business, especially you, if you are into if you are a seller some kind of. So yeah, that's what I'm getting for you, pile 2. Hopefully this reading will guide you and help you in some way. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. Now I will be moving to the next pile, which is pile 3. So pile 3, let's see what exactly is coming for you in your career in the next time frame of 1 year. And it's a timeless reading as well. So whenever you're watching this video, just take the time frame of 1 year from that point of time. So I think for you guys, you're not happy with this isolation phase. Whatever is happening right now, this lockdown, that is making you really upset and very confused about your career. We have the isolation over here next to the hangman. So what I'm getting over here, this is your current energy. You are very upset about this isolation. Maybe you had certain plan about your career and somehow it has ruined your plan completely. And right now you are in this pause mode where you are just confused what exactly I should be doing, what exactly should be happening in my career, whether I will be getting a raise or not. I'm not able to go to my office, or I had a plan that I'm going to join a new company maybe by April, May, and now everything has ruined because I'm not able to go for any interview. I don't know what exactly I should be doing. So you might be in this mindset at this moment. The universe is telling you, trust the universe, trust the universe. Something better is coming for you, because we have the trust card next to the strength card. Trust is like you might have to trust universe and take some risk or take that leap of faith, because for most of you, I can see if you are already working somewhere, we have the strength card here that talks about some sort of progression. So there are chances that a progression, raise or promotion is coming towards you very soon. There are high chances that after this lockdown is over, you will go back to your office. You might get an opportunity to get promoted. And I can see a good raise for you this year. And if you don't have a job right now, if you're searching for a job, I can see that you will be getting a very good job offer very soon. Especially the Leo season might be very important to you, that is between July and August. So just I think that time frame will be very much important for your career. And the job, the strength card also talks like what are your strengths. So suppose if you are good at programming, so you might get a very good job opportunity in your field. So maybe if you are good at so like whatever your strength is, like you have a plan that okay, I want this job, this kind of job, I want this kind of profile, I can see that you will be definitely getting that. It's a very positive and a very strong card, very strong card. So whatever you are looking for, whatever your strength is, you will be getting a job on that particular field. And people who are already working, I can see a raise or a promotion. And the people who are self-employed, I can see some sort of growth will be happening in your career during the Leo season, I can feel over here. But universe wants you to take a break right now. I think you guys are very much stressed out, so you need a break. So during this lockdown period, just utilize this time to take a break, because a lot of things will be happening very soon in your career, and you might not get a time to take a rest at that point of time. So because we have the bountiful nature, so if you are staying somewhere near the nature right now, I know you cannot travel, but if you stay somewhere near the nature, it's time for you to go out and relax a bit. And also some sort of leadership job is coming for you, because we have the leadership. So definitely I can see in case if you're working somewhere, you might be getting promoted to a leadership job role, a team leader or some sort of manager. And if you are looking for a job, you might get a job offer where you have to lead the people, like it will be some sort of leadership role which you will be getting. Maybe there might be some other people who will be working like under you. Yeah, definitely heart desire. So I can see you guys will be following your heart desire this year, and that will be bringing whatever you are manifesting right now, that will be universe will be gifting you that thing. So whatever you're desiring right now, what kind of job which you are desiring right now, that will be coming towards you, I can see. And I can see you guys will be also spending a lot of time in nature this year. So there are chances that you might get a job which is somewhere in the nature or near to sea, or some sort of lot of greenery will be there, or there are chances that a sea beach or ocean or lake, some sort of water body might be there near your office, or you might have to travel somewhere to get this job. Like it can be some sort of business tour which you might have to go this year. And if you are worried about your finance right now, universe is telling that you and your loved ones are safe. So don't worry about your finances. You don't worry how you are sorry guys, how you are going to support your family. Don't worry about that. Universe is taking care of you guys. Cancer season can also be an important season for you guys. I'll just pull some more card for you guys. Judgment. So definitely some sort of decision which you have to make very soon about your career. We have Three of Pentacles. So I can see you will be working in some sort of teamwork. So there are chances that you might start a new project in your workplace, and you might be leading that project. For some of you, if you're not working anywhere, it will be some sort of corporate job, I can see. So if you're if you want what kind of job you will get, I can see some sort of private corporate job will be there for you. I can see government job as well, where you have to collaborate with someone, some other office or some other company, and you might have to make some you might be leading that, and you might have to make decisions regarding that project or regarding that job. Like you will be the person who will be deciding everything about that. A successful career, I can see definitely Three of Pentacles also talks about successful career. Seven of Pentacles. So right now, I think you are in the Seven of Pentacles, where you are just planting the seeds, and within few months you will see growth. You will see the progression. So if you are planning any project right now, or if you are planning, if you're trying for a promotion, so I think after Leo season or during Leo season, you will see that will be coming towards you, and I can see a success. That project will definitely be a big success for you. And if you are looking for a new job, you have to plant your seed by planning what exact kind of job which you are looking for, and follow your heart desire. That will lead you towards this towards this offer. Nine of Pentacles. For some of you, I can also see that you might decide to go for a self-employment, where you will be working. You won't follow any. You might start your own company. For some of you, maybe a small business or a small company you will start, because Nine of Pentacles talks about being independent. There are chances that you will start some company where you will hire few people, and you will be leading that company. For some of you, I'm also seeing that you will just start, it will be a complete your own project, where you will be taking in charge of everything, and you will be making decision for yourself. You won't follow anyone. So yeah, definitely a business or self-employed, I can also see for this growth. And that will be bringing a lot of money. So if you are worried like whether you should be doing that or not, I can see, because we have Nine of Pentacles, very much you are very near to get that Ten of Pentacles energy. That will be the ultimate stability which you are looking for. So this 1 year you might not reach to Ten of Pentacles, but definitely I can see you will be very much near to achieve whatever you are looking for. For some of you, we have the High Priestess at the bottom of the deck. Sorry. You might be learning something new this year. New, like maybe you will go for your skill upgrade, or you will go back to your college, or you will go for higher studies. And like High Priestess also talks about teaching profession. So you might also start something in a teaching profession. Or for some of you, I'm also getting, you might start your own school, like a play group, where you will hire some other people also, like who will be working under you. Yeah, because this talks about teaching and learning, High Priestess. So something with the teaching profession also I'm getting. Okay, I'll just pull some more guidance card for you. Okay, right now you have unlimited ideas, so just think like which idea you want to pursue and take action. It's time for take action as well. Dreams of abundance. So right now, if you are dreaming about getting promoted or getting a new job, so maybe universe is trying to communicate something through that dream. So it can be an glimpse of your future. Maybe that is going to happen with you. So just pay attention to your dreams. If you are dreaming anything about your job or something, just pay attention to it, because universe might be trying to communicate something regarding through your dream. You might have to take some chances as well, because take a divinely guided chance is telling that you might have to take some risk. Even Trust card talks about come out of your comfort zone and take some risk. So and whatever decision, like whatever chance you will take, that will be divinely guided. So that is, universe is pushing you to take that chance, so you can achieve what exactly you're looking for. Bottom of the deck we have partnership. So that is this energy of Three of Pentacles, where you might start something in a partnership, in a collaboration. Or it will be a business. You might start with some sort of partner, or maybe your job will be something to do with collaboration, where you might also, we have some companies in the private sector where they work for third party, Suppose we have a company and they will have a different client who might be in US based or UK based, which are the MNC, big MNC. There are chances you might job some sort of MNC, multinational company as well. Something about partnership I can see over here. So whatever is happening, that will definitely bring you the success which you are looking for. You might not get 10 of Pentacles this year, but definitely you will reach, you will be very much near to achieve your goal. That I can see. You will be very much satisfied, because 9 of Pentacles talks about satisfaction. So you will be very much satisfied with your career by next 1 year, I can see. Yeah, that's what I'm getting for you, pile 3. Hopefully you like the reading. Please let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much guys for watching my video today. Take care. Bye bye.